Well, I was originally just going to weld a nut to either side of the tube, but I decided that was just kind of asking for me to introduce a bunch of crud into the thread. So instead I got this really long, I call it a worm nut, but I don't know what it's actually called. It's a 3/8 16, 3/8 18, I forget what the thread pitch is. It's a coarse 3/8, same as my all thread, so I'm going to go ahead and weld that into here and make the hole bigger. I already did on the other side, and that way that'll be my drive nut, and this can just be cleaner, I guess. There we go, it's pulling it. Yeah. Hey guys, how's it going? Currently rebuilding my transmission. That's why I've been making a lot of fab videos lately, and I've ran into my first issue. It won't be the last, but I need a special tool to pull this pump off. And the tool's relatively simple, because I've looked at it. It essentially clamps around here and then has a threaded rod that pushes, and it's like a puller tool that keeps here, and then you just tighten down that rod to kind of pull it up. But right now, the issue I'm running into is I don't have that tool, and to order it's going to take a couple of days. But I have a welder and some metal, so I'm going to build it. So I'm going to make the top cross main pulley piece 4 inches wide, and that's where I'm going to start. Alright, so I've got the pieces cut, sand down. I figured out what I'm going to use as the actual gripping portion. It's going to be a couple of these tacked together this way. I have room to grip onto them. But first I need to drill 2 through holes on either side to hold the arm pins, because those are going to swing, so I need to have them pinned to it. Well, I've got the top, and the most important thing was that these things sit at the same height, not necessarily spaced evenly. Oh, sorry. The important thing was that these sat at the same height, which they do. Probably should have measured and centered it. That would have made for a much nicer end product, but they are sitting at the same height and level, so that means it's going to pull it up evenly. Now, the next important thing is that these 2 arms that I'm going to make coming off of here are the exact same length, because I don't want it to grab and pull kind of cattywampus, because that would potentially damage the pump. And for set arms, I'm going to be using this 1/4 inch by 1.5 inch flat bar, which should be plenty thick because the pulling motion is going to be putting strain on this surface, not this way. So it's going to have a lot more structure. Plus that bottom piece is going to be doubled up, so it should be plenty thick. I decided to just cut the feet pieces out of the same stuff I was making that out of. I threw one down here as the bottom, so that way I know they're flush on the end that's going to contact. I'm just going to go ahead and make a couple of tacks on the back end real quick of each of them, just so they stay together. I'm not going to weld the end that's actually contacting the shaft there, because I know the welds are going to harden a little bit, and I don't want to scratch that thing up. Scratch that before I weld those. I'm actually going to mark out what the hole's going to need to be on those arms so that they can interface with the little cross protection. And I'm going to do that by marking it from the far end. That way I know the holes make them sit at the same height. Well, I was originally just going to weld a nut to either side of the tube, but I decided that was just kind of asking for me to introduce a bunch of crud into the thread. So instead I got this really long, I call it a worm nut, but I don't know what it's actually called. It's a 3/8 16, 3/8 18, I forget what the thread pitch is. It's a coarse 3/8, same as my all thread, so I'm going to go ahead and weld that into here and make the hole bigger. I already did on the other side, and that way that'll be my drive nut, and this can just be cleaner, I guess. Alright, well, I added nuts and bolts as a clamp on the outside. Looks really ugly, but I'm sure it will work. Tight. That's tight. There we go, it's pulling it. Yeah. Tighten it a little more. Anyways. But it worked. Well, it works. It's ugly. And I'll be perfectly honest with you, I feel the need to readjust it constantly, but it does seem to pull okay. It's off now. Yep, we're done. So, successfully removes transmission pump. I'd say that's a good tool. He even managed to do it without scratching the shit out of everything, so I call that a win. That's just grease there, but we're good. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps out. Other than that, hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. God bless.